Hey, what's up everybody? Madaj Mada here. Winter is coming and you know what that means. Snow, ice, freezing temperatures. It's tough out there for a car, but don't worry, I've got you covered. We're going to go through some essential tips to make sure your car survives the winter, and not just survives, but thrives. So grab a pen and paper, maybe a cup of hot cocoa, because we're about to get your car winterized. Alright, first things first, we gotta talk about the battery. It's the heart of your car's electrical system, and in cold weather it can be particularly vulnerable. Cold weather can really zap its power, leading to slow cranking or even a dead battery. The chemical reactions inside the battery slow down, making it harder to generate power. Before the cold sets in, head to your local auto parts store for a free battery test. Many stores offer this service, and it can save you from a lot of trouble down the road. If you're handy, use a multimeter to check it yourself. It's a simple tool that can give you a quick read on your battery's health. Aim for around 12.6 volts. This indicates a fully charged battery. Anything less than 12 volts, consider a new battery. A weak battery can leave you stranded, especially in freezing temperatures. Check for corrosion on the terminals and clean it with a baking soda and water mix. Corrosion can impede the flow of electricity, making it harder for your car to start. A healthy battery means a happy car in the winter. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your battery and ensure reliable starts. So, don't skip this step. It's a small effort that can make a big difference. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way. Taking these steps now can save you from a lot of headaches later. Now that we've got the battery sorted, let's talk about tires, specifically winter tires. If you live in an area with snow and ice, winter tires are a must. They're made from a special rubber compound that stays flexible in freezing temperatures. Winter tires have deeper grooves and sipes for better traction. They're an investment, but cheaper than an accident. Plus, you save wear and tear on your all-season tires. Think of it as having two sets of shoes for your car. Your car will thank you for it. Let's talk about filling up the gas tank. In winter, it's about preventing fuel line freeze. Condensation in your fuel lines can freeze and block fuel flow. Keep your gas tank at least half full to reduce condensation. On long trips, top off your gas tank whenever you can. A full tank means peace of mind and warm drives all winter long. Stay safe out there. Scraping ice off your windshield on a freezing morning is the worst. It's a tedious task that no one looks forward to, especially when you're in a rush to get to work or school. The cold bites at your fingers, and the ice seems to cling stubbornly to the glass. But don't worry, I've got some tips to make your mornings a little easier and your car care routine more efficient. First, use a windshield cover at night to prevent ice buildup. This simple step can save you a lot of time in the morning. Just place it over your windshield before you go to bed, and in the morning simply remove it to reveal a clear windshield. If you forget to use a cover, keep a good quality ice scraper in your car. It's an essential tool for winter driving. Make sure it's sturdy and has a comfortable grip. Start scraping from the edges and work your way in. This method is more effective and helps prevent damage to your windshield. Never use hot water to melt the ice. It can crack your windshield due to the sudden temperature change. This can lead to costly repairs. Instead, use a de-icer spray. It's designed to quickly melt ice without damaging your car. Spray it evenly across the windshield and watch the ice melt away. Make sure your windshield wipers are in good shape. Worn-out wipers can leave streaks and reduce visibility, which is dangerous in winter conditions. Replace them if they're cracked or leaving streaks. New wipers will ensure you have a clear view of the road. Good visibility is key for safe winter driving. A clear windshield means you can see potential hazards and navigate safely. Keep it clear and drive safe. Remember, a few simple steps can make a big difference in your winter driving experience. Let's talk about antifreeze, a crucial component for winter driving that often goes unnoticed. Antifreeze lowers the freezing point of your coolant, preventing the liquid from turning into ice and causing engine damage. It also raises the boiling point, which is essential for preventing your engine from overheating, even in the coldest conditions. Regularly check your antifreeze level in the coolant reservoir to ensure it's at the optimal level. If it's low, top it off with a 50/50 mix of antifreeze and distilled water. This mixture provides the best protection against freezing and overheating. Also, check the color of your coolant. It should be bright green, pink, or orange. These colors indicate that the antifreeze is still effective. If the coolant looks rusty or sludgy, it's a sign that it's time for a coolant flush to remove any contaminants. Think of antifreeze as insurance for your engine. It protects against extreme temperatures and keeps your engine running smoothly. By keeping it topped off, you ensure that your engine remains happy and functional all winter long, no matter how harsh the weather gets. A small investment in antifreeze can save you a lot of headaches and costly repairs down the road, so don't overlook this unsung hero of winter driving. So there you have it, guys. Some simple yet super important car care tips to keep your ride happy and healthy all winter long. A little bit of prevention goes a long way, trust me. Avoid those frustrating breakdowns and costly repairs. You'll have peace of mind knowing your car is ready for winter. Stay warm out there, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video, folks.